walking him to the park. I'm gonna flirt pole for a little bit, trying to get him back into shape. See what happens. Going, sun's coming up before everybody comes. Hey, he could pee on every bush. He's trying to tell others where he's at, right? You know, the sun's coming up. Been easy. How y'all doing though? This is gonna be part 2 of the flirt pole. See, you know, on my first one, I kind of messed up because I wasn't doing it right myself. So as he's learning, I'm learning. But he has the drive for it. He wants to do it. You know what I mean? So we gonna do it. How y'all doing? No, it's Saturday. How y'all doing? I hope all is good. You know, I'm trying to get better with these videos. I'm trying to get better with the information, with the entertaining part and the learning, you know. So we'll see what happens when we get to the park. We almost there. But y'all stay blessed, man.
That's pretty interesting. What?
Sit down. There you go. Okay, he's sitting, but you're not doing what you need to do. Let's go.
Don't be bad like your father.
Listen, he's letting you put it on, but you're turning. See, he let you try to put it on. You're panicking. There you go. I'm gonna take him to the park now. We're gonna get back in shape, bro. We're gonna get back in shape, bro. We're gonna get back in shape.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Relax. I'm gonna feed the big boy first. You know. Sit down. Sit. 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 Okay, we'll play. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Guess he's not hungry. No. He just sat down, but I ain't got time today. Sit. Hey, Thanos. Hey, sit down. Everybody else just gets fed. No, wait. No, wait, no, hey, Colin, wait, hey, stop, wait, hey, no,